how to turn off all notifications on your Google Chrome. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to turn off all your Google Chrome notifications at once. It's so easy and quick, so let's start. First thing, go to your Google and now click on those 3 points up there and click on setting. Scroll down and click on notifications. If you turn off the first option, you're just gonna turn off show notifications, not the notifications. Now scroll down and click on the last option, which is additional setting in the app, and turn off notifications. And this is it. Now you blocked notifications. And this is how you turn off all your notifications. If you wanna go back, you're gonna find that all notifications, turn it off. This is it. I hope this video was helpful to you, and if you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.